Welcome to another video. So I thought you deserved a little update on the game engine stuff. So, to be honest, I have been doing a lot of boring stuff with the game engine, things that you don't actually see. I've done some things that you can actually see visually, which I will show you in this video. But it's been a lot of like memory leak debugging stuff. So boring stuff. But anyways. Oh, okay, so this video is mostly going to be about the graphical user interface, okay? I guess I have done some stuff with the actual core engine as well. I have newed some code, removed dead code, changed window, blah blah blah, fixed a bug with the dynamic list, memory freeing, memory cleaning, blah blah blah. Boring stuff, you know. But if we go to the graphical user interface, we can see that there are a little bit of changes. So it's still not really usable. You know, I told you that I rewrote the whole thing. So now it's completely useless, basically. You could actually make games in this graphical user interface before, but now you cannot because I have removed... I basically scrapped all the features and I just started to rewrite them. Okay, and I'm being very careful now. Like I'm rewriting them very carefully, so I'm focusing on one part at a time, and I want everything to work the way they are supposed to be working. Okay, so for example, right now I'm kind of working on input fields. I had input fields before I scrapped everything, but they were kind of buggy. But now I'm only focusing on the input fields and making sure that they work the way they are supposed to be working. So, as usual, you have the main menu of the graphical user interface. So you have the sprite editor. I think I've showed you this one before. You can tab around here and you can grab colors here and you can put them here, and then you can mix them, and then you can draw stuff here, and it has support for multiple frames, so you can create animations and stuff. I am going to implement onion skins here as well, so that you can like see the previous frame, but with a slight opacity to it. So it's going to be easier to make animations, basically. So that's that. Now, this is... we also have the scene editor, and here is where you're supposed to be able to like place out objects and actually create scenes for your game. So right now I have added this like drop-down list. It doesn't have real data yet. I haven't gotten to that part, but this drop-down list will contain all the actors that you have created in the actor editor, and then you will be able to place them out using this menu. Okay, and then we have the actor editor, and it basically looks like shit right now. The actor editor view here is going to have a couple input fields. So I have been mainly focusing on input fields right now, and they work pretty good. So this is how they work right now. You have a blinking cursor right here, and you can type stuff. So hello world, and you use tab here as well to like switch focus on them. And they also have scrolling, so when you type stuff, the text gets an offset. Let me actually, I was working on that the other night. So, come on. Input field. So, here's how that works. I calculate the available space in the input field, and that is the input field's width divided by the font size plus font spacing. And then I calculate how many characters we are off. So I'm just doing the length of the string, that value, minus the available space. And then I'm calculating the scroll offset in the input field using this line here. So we're doing characters off times font size plus input field font spacing. And I'm only applying that if it's larger than 0. Now, I was thinking to myself yesterday, I wanted to be intelligent and write some algorithm here that doesn't use an if statement, but I never finished it. And by the way, I was actually streaming when I implemented this. So I have actually created a Twitch channel where I stream stuff. So I don't really have a schedule for when I'm streaming though. But let me show it to you in case you want to follow me or something. So I'm probably gonna stream tonight. So I do some streaming when I'm programming. So my channel name is I can't type. What the hell is going on? Come on. My channel name is Ian Ertsson, and I will probably put the link in the description so that you can go ahead and follow me if you want. You know, I'm mainly on YouTube, but I will stream here sometimes, you know. So here's my description. So I started streaming the other day, and I haven't streamed in like, I don't know, I think it's like 5-6 years or something. So, but a lot of people started asking about what operating system I was using, if I used Tmux, what window manager I was using, and where I'm from. And they also wanted me to put my computer specifications in the description here, so I did that. But yeah, I mostly stream when I'm programming on my game engine, which I am mentioning here. So yeah, follow me if you want. And yeah, so that was basically just a little update video for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.